Your home is one of your most valuable assets, and it is important to protect that asset with good insurance. Hopefully these tips will help save you some money and finding the right home insurance for you. When you are looking into homeowners insurance, it can be a pretty pricey thing. However, if you do your research, you can find ways to help lower your premium. One thing that some people do is to combine their insurance policies. Most times when you combine homeowners insurance with your car insurance, you can save a certain percentage. Lower your annual home insurance premiums by raising your deductible. The higher the deductible, the less you pay. Even though you will be stuck with footing the bill for smaller problems you may encounter, it is worth it in the long run. Also, typically insurance companies tend to raise a homeowner's premium anyways after any claim they make, even for small claims. To reduce the price of your home insurance, you need to decrease the risks of accident. You can start by installing smoke detectors and fire extinguishers. Your insurance company will consider your home as safer, and in case of fire you should be able to contain the fire more easily. With installed smoke alarms, you can save around 10% or more on your annual homeowners insurance premiums. If you have high-value items, they may not be covered completely by typical homeowners insurance. For example, expensive jewelry may need to be appraised, and then the insurer will issue a rider to cover the item in case it's stolen or damaged. Make sure to mention high-value items to your agent to make the process of filing a claim easier, should you need to do so. Flood insurance is an extra insurance type that can truly help those who live in high-risk areas. It may add a bit more to your total premium costs, but it can save you from losing everything in case of a flood. High-risk areas should definitely get flood insurance to help you protect your investments. Adding motion-sensitive lighting to your property will get you a nice discount on your home insurance rates. You will be reducing the home's risk of burglary, and it will in turn reduce the amount of money that you have to pay for your home insurance premiums each year, as well as increase the security of your home. If you have fire insurance and a fire occurs in your home, damage to your landscaping is usually covered. Many people do not know this and end up having to pay their landscape damages themselves. However, most insurance companies will not pay more than $500 per tree or shrub. Documenting and photographing your home and its contents will expedite any future claims. Make a list of all valuables in your home and take extensive pictures of the home itself. Then store this evidence in a safe place such as a safe deposit box. If something ever does happen to your home, you have all the data you need to back up any claims and get them processed faster with less scrutiny from the insurance company. Monitor your credit score and history to keep your homeowner's insurance premiums as low as possible. Many carriers now consider credit history as a factor in determining rates, so even if you have been with a company for some time, changes in your credit report can affect the amount of premium charged. Do everything possible to prevent yourself having to make a claim on your home insurance. If you don't make any claims with your home insurance provider, you can build up a no claims discount. After 5 years of no claims, many insurance companies offer discounts on your annual premiums. When buying a home, you may reduce your homeowner's insurance rate by purchasing a house near a fire department. The closer you are, the more benefit you will get and therefore the higher discount on your premiums. Don't forget to put fire extinguishers around your house for further protection. Find out what kind of home replacement coverage is offered on your home insurance policy. Some will guarantee replacement while others will limit the amount of money you will get if your home is destroyed. Some insurance companies have a cap on the payments to a percentage of the face value of your policy. Be sure to install locks on all of your windows. If you do not have locks on all of your windows, you are already paying more for your homeowner's insurance. Go ahead and install locks on your windows. They are not expensive and it will, ultimately, lower what you are already paying. One incentive to pay off your mortgage as quickly as possible is that your homeowner's insurance premiums may drop. Insurance companies assume that you will take better care of your dwelling if you own it outright than you do if you are still paying on your home loan. In order to get a bit of a discount on your homeowner's insurance, try to have a security system. A burglar alarm is a good example, especially since a central station can monitor it and it can easily be tied to a police station. This can help lower your annual premiums by around 5% or more. To get the discount though, you need to provide proof of central monitoring, either in a bill or an insurance company contract. Instead paying for your homeowner's insurance policy in monthly premiums, Pay it as a lump sum to save money. Insurance companies would prefer that you took annual payments as well, meaning it shouldn't require much work to change your plan. By paying up front, you're ensuring your entire premium will be paid and you could save between 3 to 5%. Save receipts from any temporary repairs if you experience a claim event. Not all repairs can wait for your homeowner's insurance company to review and rule on your claim, but if you pay out of pocket for temporary repairs and the claim is approved, the costs are usually reimbursed if you have appropriate documentation. It's important to know how you'll be covered if you have to live outside your home after it's damaged or being rebuilt. Many times, your policy will cover your costs for other living arrangements. You might have to keep all receipts so you can document these costs and receive your settlement. If you are moving, check your policy. Moving can be a stressful and busy time. Even so, make sure you take the time to stop and double check what your insurance covers. If you are moving a lot of valuable things, you might want to make sure that they are covered during the moving process. Like with anything in life, the more you know about home insurance, the better your final decision will ultimately be. You need to be sure that you're getting a great policy for a great price. It's important to take the time to assure your homeowner's insurance policy is a good one. Take time to review your insurance policy from time to time.